Away they go. Lane 1 is Nick Stewart of Edmund Allen. Lane 2, Shanika Lindsay of Francis Davis. Lane 3, Madison Campbell of Homewood. Lane 5, Kristen Herbert, Homewood. Lane 6, Janelle Joseph, MVP. Lane 7, Shanoya Douglas, unattached. Lane 8, Brianna Brown, Excelsior. Here they come into the 200 meters. And we see a strong Shanoya Douglas pulling down in lane 7, on course to take this first place. It's official. Shanoya Douglas